Here is known as bottom feeder. It's a sand shark, shy shark, smooth downs, locusts, pajamas, etc. They only grow to about a meter, some of them a meter and a half. So you won't find a bigger man-eating sharks like the great whites, the daisies, tigers and those again. Also where you see this little kayak in the water on the left hand side, this is where we leave this boat during the night. So this boat sleeps here. We just use that little one to pedal around to this old jetty and then we walk back. Also, if you look to the right on the rock here, you'll notice an orange reddish leakage on the rock on the right hand side. That is just ferrous oxide, just a fancy name for rust. These rocks contain a high volume of iron, and as soon as iron comes into contact with water, it starts to oxidize. And all these other different colors that you see on the rocks, the orange, lime, green, mustardy colors, the grayish, whitish blotches, it is known as a rock lichen. Lichen consists of two living organisms, the fungus and an algae, living together in a symbiotic relationship, which means that the one cannot survive without the aid of the other one under these conditions. The cave over here is known as the Bat's Cave. Look right at the top there, there's another opening, and that is where the cave goes deep into about another 60 meters. No, I won't go up there. No, that step ladder was used by scientists and researchers from Rhodes University. They came here to study this bat, so it's not open to the public.
Why is it that people aren't allowed to canoe up here?
I think it's a marine reserve. Now fortunately this is as far as we can go. Big set of rocks here in front of us. This is now basically where the river and the sea meet. Fresh water coming from that side and salt water pushing from this side here.
If that's a struggle, you mustn't take